once you have actually identified the trigger, you're already way ahead because you know what your dog is afraid of. And then your job is to figure out how far away you need to be from that trigger so the dog does not yet explode or react or run away. And at that point, you would start to expose the dog briefly to the trigger while you are feeding roast beef or something extremely valuable to the dog, so that you are basically classically conditioning the dog to learn and then put into its animal brain in the back that it associates good things with seeing the trigger. And then eventually you can get closer and closer to the trigger, and the dog will just have this classically conditioned drool or yay roast beef reaction, rather than being afraid of the trigger, which could be anything from a skateboard to another dog to a guy with a beard.